Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 19th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. Let's start with the VIX. So VIX is up 0.20. That's 0.98%, closed at 2053. Let's look at what this means now on the chart by looking at the chart. Yeah, VIX is in a downward channel. Downward channel. So what it is supposed to do, it's supposed to not cross that resistance. But if it crosses it, because we sometimes make mistakes, then it needs to close back inside as if it didn't cross it. So this is exactly what happened. So I really like to see this. I'm very happy to see this. So the volatility on the S&P 500 came high and then was squished down suddenly. And our stochastic did not go above 60. We should be trending down. So the VIX is still in a downtrend, even though if you looked at it during the day, well, you might have thought, oh, okay, this is breaking the downtrend, blah, 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 blah. But on whatever time frame you are looking at, you need to wait for the current candle that is being drawn has been drawn completely so that the time frame is over. If not, you should never look at the candle that is currently being drawn within the time frame. So the last candle of a chart should never be shown until the time frame is over, hour chart or daily chart. But I don't think we have this option in TradingView, but that would be the best option because it's easy to make a decision on a candle that's only half drawn, and then it reverses completely during the other half of the time frame, and we just made a mistake. So that's a mistake that is easily prevented if we never look at half drawn candles. Okay. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is coming down a little bit, so down 0.76%. So getting very close to the support. We see a definite slowing down. It started slow with a small candle, then it went fast with a big candle, and now an even smaller candle. So it looks like we might be holding that support at 32,874. We don't have stochastic though. It would have been better to have kept stochastic, but we lost it yesterday, I think. Yes, it was lost yesterday. We cannot gain stochastic back if we don't make a higher high, a higher low, a higher close, and things like that. We cannot expect too much, but just if we can just concentrate on keeping support at 32,874, that would be great. Let's look at the S&P 500. So S&P 500 is coming back down. Yeah, it broke 3902. I'm not too saddened by this because this is a middle thing. This is a middle support because we have a bunch of candles above, a bunch of candles below. It's not like an end of destination support. It's not an end of destination trend line like this one here. This is end of destination. We went there and we stopped. Here it was used in the middle of this bullish channel. I'm going to give it a pass, but we should be holding 3,800 though. 3,800 is really important. And we lost stochastic over 60. We had lost it yesterday. And let's look at Nasdaq Composite. So 0.96% down, coming back inside. So the downward channel is still in play. So yeah, we might be coming back down to this support. This should be green. We still have we now have a contradiction between the VIX and Nasdaq. The VIX went up just a little bit, but not too much. So I think tomorrow is going to be very interesting to see what's happening with the VIX if we start going down and if we stabilize with the indices. I think this is going to get a little bit clearer tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.